In Cavalry 2, they have created a new deformer called Chop Path, which cuts up your shape and allows you to do a number of cool different things. So I'm just going to quickly run through it. So we're just going to change the count to 30, change the angle to 90, and you can see here it says you can connect a behavior such as random, noise, or stagger to spread and offset to create interesting effects. So yeah, you can just pop a oscillator into here and change the stagger on that, and you've got some nice kind of wavy effect. And you can do that to spread as well, so spread just pops it out vertically. So I just did a little bit of a muck around before, so I've just fed an oscillator into a number range, and in my number range I just messed up this graph in a very unpretty way, and it just has this kind of glitchy effect. Cellular is just playing with the cellular noise here, and again it's just got like a little bit of a glitch type effect to it. So yeah, there's heaps of different ways you can play around with it, so it's just really just jump straight in there and make some connections and see what comes up. So I'm just going to delete those two. So to create the effect that from the start, I'm just going to click flatten shape, and I'm also going to add a submesh. And on the submesh, I am going to change this level mode to lines and come down to frame 0, and I'm just going to set a keyframe for scale 0. And then I am just going to bring this back up to 1, and you can see here it just pops out. Okay, so we're nearly there. This is quite a speedy tutorial. And then we can just pop in a stagger, and I'm just going to change that to -25. And what you can see here is our text forming across. So just to give that a bit more personality or something, just yeah, be sure to tweak those curves, and you'll come up with something pretty cool in no time. So yeah, the key things here are the stagger and yeah, just the curve on that scale. So if we jump back into our, we're just going to run through here for about half that time, and you can see here the offset is set to 0. But if we move that across, you can see how it might affect things going the other way. So if we wanted to flip our text going out, you basically have to line that pivot point up with the other end of your shape. So no doubt with the submesh here, you've got a lot more possibilities. You can obviously tweak some of these other attributes and yeah, have a bit of fun. But yeah, that's just really like a little bit of an intro. Hopefully it just gives you a bit of a starting point. Have fun. Thanks for watching.